Hello, Hyperseek. Welcome. Hello guys, welcome. Say hi. Don't be shy. Arcadium, thank you for the follow, dude. Today we are gonna. I'm gonna just. Yeah. Today we are gonna do something like. First, we're gonna fix the camera and movements so we can have the fixed step down camera. After that, we're gonna implement the character creation with our new models, and we're gonna move from there. Let's start from the camera. The basic uMMORPG camera will work in our case, but I'm gonna change some bits and pieces there. First of all, I am gonna need to get to that camera script here. It says camera MMO, and you see here it forces the camera to 45-degree angle if the mouse is not present. I don't care if mouse is present or not. I'm gonna force this code without okay. Let's see. I'm just gonna switch this with this and get this to here. Let's see what changed. Okay, see, we cannot move our camera anymore. We are locked in a top-down view. This is what I want, but I want my character to be center of the screen instead of the bottom center. I'm gonna center my character top a little bit more. So let's see the camera here, the main camera. There is a offset here. This offset is, let's see, it's 0. Yeah, this is a little bit more of my game style, so I'm gonna use this. But the 45 degrees, I'm not sure. The 55 or 50 degrees will work a lot more in my case. So let's see. First I'm gonna zero this out. And make it 55. Oh no, make it 50. So I have a fixed camera that does not move at all. This is much more better. This is much better. Yeah. I'm gonna make sure the zoom level is not 20 because this distance I don't want players to play with this distance. I think the 16 max is okay. For 12, for 14, yeah, 14 max is okay. This is max, this is min, and this is max. All right. Well, this should work. I'm gonna copy this and paste values here. Minimum distance, maximum distance. And I'm gonna do one more thing. In player class, I have selection handling here. I'm gonna remove WSD, moving because I don't want any WSAD moving in my game. Alright. After that, hello my brother. Hello Gold Bar. Hello Soja. Hello little Soja. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome all of you, the lurkers as well. Welcome, guys. Alright, I'm gonna switch this 0 to 1 because I want players to move with the right mouse button instead of left mouse button. And that should fix our problems. Alright, see, I can move with my right mouse button, and left mouse button does not do anything. But alright, there's a problem with this particular use case. I have to right click on mobs to begin attacking. Or right click to loot as well. So let's see the selection handling here. It tries to use skill. Alright. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. Evet Cold War'cum. Ultim online gibi olacak. Milleti öldürünce insure'lu olmayan itemlerini alabileceksin. What I'm gonna do here is strip the selection handling method here into my own extended movements, and create the player class here. Open it up. Make it partial, remove this, so we can have all the good MMR stuff there, and move my selection handling here. That way, when I update the core uMMORPG engine, the core scripts, I can just remove the selection handling, and this class should handle everything. Okay. Alright. Now right click is everything in this case. I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. Okay, let's see. This one's here working, this one's here working. Okay. Now, let's see. What's next? Next is implement character creation. Let's go. So, So instead of implement character creation directly, what I'm gonna do is set up my login with the RPG UI here, right? The RPG UI here has a really good login scene here, as you can see. When I do this, you can see this a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this one as a beginning point. What I'm gonna do is make a prefab out of it, this whole thing. This one is already a prefab, I think. Yep, unpack this. In here I'm gonna make a prefab. Create an empty object, login, and make sure this happens, and after that I'm gonna make sure this. Okay. I'm gonna close this scene, open my demo scene again. I'm not gonna save it. And after this, there is a login and login panel here, right? So I'm gonna switch this out with my new login panel, right? Looking good. Right now host and dedicated and quit buttons, etc, etc. I don't need them. So right now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna text name, password, server. I'm gonna delete all of this and start implementing my own missing things. Panel is this one. After that, the status text, I can use the bottom bar, link group, and this one. Now I can use this one. The status text is this one. Account input. I'm gonna use username. I'm gonna use password. Server dropdown. I don't have the server dropdown here. I don't have server dropdown here, so I'm gonna switch the UI login script a bit. And the login button here, I have it. Register button, I don't need that right now because my registers. What's in the background? uh what's in the background? Which background? The music? I'm gonna duplicate the login button. So here it is a login button. It's host and play. It will be host and play. I don't need any cancel or quit button right now. I don't need them. Alright, now alright, sorry about the delay. Yeah, I don't need dedicated button because I'm gonna build a headless server. I don't need cancel, I don't need quit, I just need these ones. Yeah, login and host and play. So I'm gonna go UI login here. And dedicated button, host button, manager start host. The server drop down won't do anything in this case. Let's test it. Right, the problem is, yeah, this problem. This one is a little bit problematic. This should solve the problem. No. Alright. Maybe this should solve it. Yeah, it seems so. Alright. There's a whole error happening here. Let's see. Manager register button is interactable. Register button, we don't have a register button. We have login, we have host, we don't have cancel. We don't have dedicated. We don't have quit. Right, let's see. Okay, it's still drop down. Yeah, we don't have any server drop down here. This is the 0 IP, so it's the first one in the network managers, so it's the local one always. Let's see. No error. Admin, host and play. Yep. This should cover our login screen without an issue. Right. The only problem is, yeah, there is a problem, so we need to control Z, edit. This should be, because the bottom bar is not there. Okay. Oh my god, this looks awesome. Thank you, dude. This looks nothing. Thank you. I'm not gonna be that guy. Thank you. All right. uMMORPG has a lot of good things, mate. Go check it out. Its developer is awesome. Alright. Okay, instead of okay. Okay, this won't work either. Okay, what should we do? Background. Zero. Thank you for the follow, dude. Nello, thank you for the follow. I really appreciate it. Okay, this is a problem. This is a problem. Your voice is very quiet, especially compared to the stream notifications. Okay, I'm gonna do this then. Device properties. How about now? And I'm gonna better. I'm gonna put a little bit gain. How about now? Is this nice? Much better. Okay, okay. Alright. I'm gonna check the original scene out. Here, login. Save my own. So this is the canvas that scales everything. Alright. The background here and the bottom bar here is stretched all the way up. Alright. Let's see if we can duplicate that. Where's my demo scene? Alright. Here, this one is stretched. Alright. This one also should be stretched. Okay. And the background is, and left is right. Okay. And after that, bottom bar is like this, right? And zero them out. This should work without a problem. Let's see. Yep, this looks much better. Yeah, this looks much better. First, I'm gonna input these out. To make them directly go into my game. Now the character selection screen, I'm gonna get the character selection screen from here as well. Okay, scene, character select, 3D. Yes, save this. Okay, something happened here. Oh. This is a character selection with RPG UI. So what I'm gonna do is make my character selection screen exactly like this. Okay. Or sorry. Or we can use this screen. Which one do you guys prefer? This one or the other one? This one has a little bit I like this one a little bit more because the message thing here, we can release messages here, patch notes, etc. Or we can do that in a login screen and use the other one. The 3D one, this one. Non-3D. Yeah, I like that as well, by the way. This one seems much more manageable. We can always show hide the avatar here. Alright, let's use this one. Let's see, unpack this and create an empty object. Character selection, name character selection, move all of them here and make that a prefab. This is the characters. Oh yeah. All right. Let's return to our scene. Don't save. All right. This is login. I'm gonna disable that. We are already logged in, and I'm gonna enable the character selection, the panel here. All right, Kizi Tekuto, thank you for the follow, mate. Instead of this one, I'm gonna drag and drop my created character selection here. Yep. This one is gonna have the same problem. I need this to be stretched, but of course the problem is message bugs. Visuals, teşekkürler takip için. Mobil oyun mu bu? Hayır, değil. now I think this should work without a problem. Yep. Çıkacak bir oyunun mu altyapısını ayarlıyorsun? Çıkacak bir oyunu kodluyorum abi şu anda. Altyapısını ayarladık zaten. Yaklaşık 4 yıldır altyapısı ayarlı. Ve devam ediyoruz. Sorry for the English speaker guys. As I described on the title, this is English Turkish stream. I hope you bear with me. This is the panel. This is the play button. Okay. İsmi Magecraft Online. Tabii ki paylaşabiliyorum. Oyun benim zaten. Alright, let's see. The character selection script. This is the manager and the selection. Okay, we need to modify this. Let's see, find all references. Okay, this one modifies it. Selectable character and selection equals index. Okay. Alright. Find references again. Okay. Oh yeah, it adds selectable character to the prefab. As you can see here. Here, extended selective adds selectable character and sets the index for it. Right. All we need to do is fill out this character list. Alright, okay. Demo character list, select list characters. There are calls, there are things. I don't need them. I don't need any of them. I just need the characters here. There should be a oh yeah, this one. Character select list. Adds the characters, etc. I don't need tarih belirlenmedi daha Gold War'cum. I don't need this. this I can safely remove, except I will need this one here. I can remove this. Oh, sorry. I need to unpack this completely. After that, I need to remove this. I don't need that. In UI character selection, in here, I need to fill that list. Instead of doing this, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a character list prefab here. Do something like this. If not initialized, I'm gonna initialize all prefabs here, all this one here, and I'm gonna get a transform content parent. Okay, now I can do something like this. Refresh. Come on, just build. Alright, as you can see, there is a character list prefab. I'm gonna move it here. The content parent is this, right? Now I can get this. Instead of a demo here, I'm gonna create my own holder class here. Let's say use Magecraft, use scripts, extend character system. I'm gonna create a folder named models. I'm gonna create a C# script that says character select model here. Thank you for the follow, dude. It will show up anytime, I think. Alright, now I'm gonna get those. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow, dude. I appreciate it. Right, instead of this, I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna get all of this, put it into my model. Right. Put it into my model. This is toggle, delete button, name, level. This is not level per se. I won't have levels in my game. And this is not race, this is faction. I won't have a class, and I will have an avatar for it. Okay, let's see. Now I can safely remove all of this, or no, I can't, because I need to create my own prefab. Let's see, prefabs, UI. Instead of this, I'm gonna remove this. Okay, add my selection model, toggle, delete button. I think delete button was, where's the delete button? Let's see, delete, where are you? Oh, this one. Okay, remove component, add my own, the toggle here. Okay, the delete button here. All right, character list prefab. I'm gonna rename that. Okay, name text is this, title is label text. What's this? Okay, I don't need that. What's going on? Label, I don't need that. Race, I'm gonna use faction. I'm gonna do this faction text, not a level text. This is gonna be the title. All right, name, title, faction, and the avatar frame, avatar image. Yeah, this is, what's this active thing? Oh, okay, this is, okay, drag and drop here. I don't need any of this. Okay, character selection, I'm gonna change this into my new prefab. I need a create button here to change the create thing, right? And at last I need a private field index. I don't need a private field, public index, to store my index to get deleted to other things as well. Okay, now the problem is, oh, these are serialized, but these are private, right? Yeah. Rename them. Oh, okay. Text avatar. All right, now quit and delete button for the UI character selection here. Delete button is doing something like this. I'm gonna create is working. The quit. I got a quit button, I think, somewhere around there, don't I? Let's see. I think I don't. Okay, no problem. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is populate this character list with my characters here. All right, first things first, I'm gonna instantiate a game object, character list object here. Instantiate character list prefab. Right, I'm gonna get my model, character list model. What was its name? Character select model. I'm sorry, character select model here. I'm gonna add this component here, right? And after that, I can start populating the model, but sorry, but I need these to be public. Okay. I need these to be public, so I can do something like this. Model dot name text dot text is equal to, all right, for each characters are message character in characters. Teşekkürler. I'm gonna set is initialized through here. Character name here. Alright. Model avatar sprite is equal character see, there's a class name here, right? And character's equipment is here, but the other things are not here, like characters, avatar, sprite, etc, etc. I'm gonna sit here, error to do, add faction name avatar title to characters available message. So I can send these three to server to my client, from server to my client. Alright, this should initialize once and should give me a character here. Let's see, let's hope this works. I'm gonna wait for it to compile. Alright, I'm gonna disable this screen first, start it. Host and play. There's a problem here. What is the problem? Tell me. Model name text equal character name. Let's see. Let's stop here. Right? Let's stop there. And attach. Let's see what is not coming out. Alright, prefab gets initialized, model gets, alright, model.name text is null. Let's see, why is that? Let's see why is that. Okay, title is here and faction is here. Save the prefab. I don't know why these gets nullified. Oh, we changed that. Yeah. Sorry, we changed that. Host and play. Okay, again, there's a problem. Let's see what is. Name text. Right, it's still null. It should not be. Oh, sorry. Instantiate these with parent of this. Sorry guys, I forgot parent. Should work. Host and play. Alright. It's okay. Let's see. Why is this one is not hitting? Let's do something like this, right? What's going on? Oh, there's an error. Okay. Still? Okay. Why is there an error? Why? I'm instantiating you. Alright. Let's see. Character selection. Character list prefab. Just refresh that. Alright. Do not maximize. Let's see. Okay, stop. Whoa. My bad. There's already a component on there. I'm adding a new one. I should not add a new component there. Host and play, and as you can see, there is my, if I create new, I can create a new one. And as you can see here, I can select my characters. So I can see my characters. So when I click any of, when I click on them or click the delete button on them, I want it to delete the characters. Let's implement that. First, click to join the game. Let's see. In the original one, when the start button gets clicked, right? It sends the extra data here, the selection, clears the previews, sets the panel, it sets the panel to inactive. So I need this character list prefab is a toggle. Really? Toggle? Alright. Let's see the original script. Okay. Select list, on character select element, add character on character selected, here character, okay, add this one on character selected. There's an event here. On toggle value changed. Alright. I can work with that. I can work with that without a problem. Let's see. Here we have a model. We have a toggle on there. We need to make that public. as well as the delete button. All right. Model dot toggle dot on value changed. Add the listener here. Make it inner call. No? Why? Oh, selected. Right? Make it inner call if selected. I'm gonna make this into this. Right? And keep an index here. No. I don't do this if selected. I am gonna do this manager dot selection equals model dot index. Yeah. All right. Problem is not integer, just a byte. Okay, the is right. The index is merhabalar Lonely 38, hoş geldin. I'm gonna set the index so we can here get the index and start the game. So let's see. Niye İngilizce? İngilizce değil aslında. İngilizce Türkçe karışık. Yep. Selection screen is there. Just a little bit of a problem here. Teşekkürler hocam. We need to reset the other toggles. To do that, we need something like this. Right? Okay, after that, all right, if selected, all right, if selected, each toggle t in toggles if, okay, for int byte equals 0 toggles length if it does not equal k toggles k that is right, false. Let's see if this works. Teşekkürler. Let's see if this works. No. Object reference is not set an instance of an object. That's oh, there's a toggle group here. Okay. I think there is a toggle group here. No? Here? Yeah. There's a toggle group here. We need to set that. We don't need this, or this, because the toggle group will manage all of that. We don't all need that. Okay, toggle group. All right. Let's come here. Get that. Grab that script. Come here, public toggle group. Sets group and set the model dot toggle dot group equals toggle equals the group, right? And just set the group here and we should be done. Come on. Yep. This one. Let's see. All right. Host and play. Yep. This is good. I'm gonna change the prefabs default to toggle interactable is on. No, it's not on. Host and play. Yep. There we go. There we go. Here we are. Let's see. Create new one should work. We should change it. This indexer should work. Yeah. The deletion. Okay. To delete the thing here, there is a model box here. So model.delete. This is a button, and buttons have listeners. Click, yeah, on click that add listener. I'm gonna add a delegate here. Yeah. Remove all of this. Get this, paste it here. Do you really want to delete this hobo here? Okay, characters makes selection now. This is the, you won't be able to reverse this operation, and this is gonna be deleted permanently. Yep. Alright, but after that, alright, there's a problem here. Box on confirm. Yeah, sorry. Box that, sorry, I need cancel. Oops, sorry. Cancel. Click to no. Delete confirm. Okay. We're gonna need this as well, but first box that on confirm, add listener. I'm gonna add another delegation here and execute this one, right? Value is models index. I don't always need to do that. I'm gonna simply do this. I can simply do that. Let's test the delete as well. Whew. This is really exhausting. Alright, host and play. Delete this hobo. Alright, index out of range. What index? That index was 0, my man. Okay. Let's see, E is 2, no, I think I made a mistake by not doing this. Yep, that was a mistake. Alright, it's compiled. Let's see. Host and play. Delete this one. Yep. Do you want to delete this one? Blah blah blah. Delete. Let's see. Yeah, it deleted, but I need to remove that from the okay. On delete confirm, take this and after that first send the thing, not the container but content current, and select model. Oh no, okay, I already have the model. Alright, let's see. But we need to remove that as well, right? Yeah, on delete listener, come on, confirm. Oh, destroys it here. Okay. Okay. For each transform, I need to get this model here in content parent, T deleted character model. Alright, if deleted character model dot index is equal to model index, destroy deleted character model dot game object. If it's not, just need to select. Yep, just need to select that. set selected and toggle is on, else toggle is on equals true. Let's see, when I delete the character it should switch back to original and delete the list prefab. Alright, let's see. Post and play, create a new one, call it this, create another one, call it that, stop, start, and let's see, this one I'm gonna delete. Yep, that's it. This one I'm gonna delete. Alright, email character index. It does not delete the second one because the index gets mixed up. Yeah, see, delete this. First it deletes that, but the index is messed up after that. I need to reindex all after the Alright. Okay, now let's move on. There's a bug to fix, but whatever. I don't think I'm gonna fix that today. So the start button we have here. Oh no, yeah, this should stay there. Delete button, we handle that. Create button, it's handling itself. Quit button, we don't yet have. Okay. Alright, that is quite a progress, right? Let's see. All right. let's see. Didn't I remove all of this? I believe I removed them. Right. Let's remove those. Combo points and buff grid, right? We don't need them for now. Right. I'm gonna update here. Camera and movement are implemented. Character creation. I need to update. Right. Refresh. Alright. Alright guys, I think we should wrap up the stream. If you guys have questions, and where do you wanna ask, or about uMMORPG, MMORPG is general, software development in general, you can ask.
I don't understand it, man.
Let's see what can we wrap up quickly. We can go for the character creation, at least started. Let's go for the scene. Save that. Yeah. Alright. Let's make a prefab out of it. What's this? Tooltip. What's this? Well, okay, unlock this, and unlock this, create an empty prefab. This is screen space overlay. Alright. Move them here. Create a prefab out of it. Switch to my demo scene. Open up. Character creation. There is the panel. This is overlay, right? Yeah, this is overlay. Shader channels, normal and tangent, and most open use deep lighting, which an overlay canvas does not support. It's likely these channels are not needed. Normal and tangents, right? Additional shader channel. Nothing. I don't need additional shader channels. Right? Right. Drag and drop character creation here. Okay. Yeah, the problem consists here as well. So what are we gonna do? What I'm gonna do is do this. After that, switch these. I don't need you. Unpack this. I don't need you. Faction, race, gender. Come right here. Okay. Appearance. Come right here. Alright. Alright, button bar, you are here. Okay. Back button, alright. Create character glow and character example. Up, up, up, up, up, up. Alright. Are you good? Yep, you're good. So when I do this and do this, back button, create button, class drop down. I don't need any classes, so I don't need this, right? Class index is always 0 for me. Right? Okay, let's see. The name input. Let's test this. Oh, sorry. Disable this, test this. Host and play, create new, see. Okay, where's this glow? I don't like it. Right, these are working. Yeah, these are working. Alright, the only thing is left is put the character here, not like this. Create a little pedestal here and put the character there. After that, we can choose our faction, choose our this we don't need this. We don't have a race. We have a faction, we have gender, and we have appearance. Right. So race is gonna go away. Okay. No, I'm gonna use this not as a race, right? Text as a race. Starter armor. All right. All right. Starter armor. Faction gender. I'm gonna do something like this, guys. All right. Faction gender. Select your faction, select your gender, select your starter armor, select your appearance, and voila. There's switch select here. Okay. There is a skin color selection here. Okay. There's a grid here. I can nicely fill these. Yep, this will work really good, really good, guys. Alright, this and this. This will work really good. Select race, not race. Select armor. Grid. This is light armor. This is medium armor. This is heavy armor. This is unnecessary. All right, upper left now. This is 3. Yep, I love it. These are buttons. No, these are toggles. Nice. These have a group. Yeah, this is a group. Okay. Tomorrow will be really good. We're gonna extend the uMMORPG's package to character creation package, to be precise. This one. Add here hair selection, beard selection. Not a beard selection, but if we have, do we have beards for our characters? Say this one. Let's take a look. I am really getting excited. I wanna code till morning, guys. Alright. Do we have Polytalk Studios demos diorama? Yeah. Alright. Environment. This. Okay. Oh, we have beards, right? But not really beard. It's just a head. We should switch, I think. What's this? What the fuck is this? Oh, right. This is tier 1. This is tier 2. This is tier 3 light armor. By the way, we have 3 tiers of each armor. So I can close all of this and open all of these. This is tier 0 plate armor, heavy armor, tier 1 heavy armor, tier 2 heavy armor, tier 3 heavy armor, and if I do this, these are, where's the camera here? Come on, dude. Yeah. These are no, these are plate. Yeah, these are plate armors. ABC, these are leather, medium armors, and this, I'm thinking about putting this as a supportive type armor between medium and heavy. These looks like scale armors. What do you think, chat? Are those look like scale armors? Light armor, medium armor, and heavy armor. What we can bring in between. This is light armor. This is heavy armor. And this is medium armor. I think 3 is enough for starters. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. Oh, you are gonna take a look at the heads. So, what's this? What is this? This, and this. Yeah. I think we have only that customizations. One, two, 3, 4, and 5. 5 head styles. One, two. On female side we have 5 hairstyles as well. We'll make it work. Don't worry, guys. This should this will hurt a little bit. Let's see who is on Twitch. Let's see who's on Twitch. Okay, Steampunk Programmer is on. I can host you guys to him. He's a good guy. He's developing a (2D) pixel art type of thing. See you guys around, and thank you for being here, guys. See you.
Welcome to my castle.
Hey, thanks for the host, Shaylor. Wow, that was an early host. Well, how's it going? Did you have a nice stream, or are you're just hosting? So I guess you were streaming because you have 3 people. Ooh, that coffee's really hot. That's good. What were you working on? Or were you just playing a game? It's nice, but it's, ooh, late there. It's early here, I'm just getting started. Let's copy over, actually I need to close another, I still have some work stuff open. Get out of here, work stuff. It's no longer time for that. Get out of here. Alright, so I've been working on another kind of useful script that's drag and drop for the Patreon. I was working on my MMORPG. Oh, wow. Now that's a project. Is it 3D or 2D? I want to know more about it. I actually worked on a couple of MMOs through my career. 3D, that's cool. I worked on Fallen Earth, and I worked a little bit on Rift, and then I think there was another one, but I can't remember what it was. I have to think about it longer. It wasn't anything big though. It was something small. What are you doing it in? Are you writing your own engine, or are you using Unity or something? Good old Rift, yeah. I didn't, so I say I worked on Rift, but I didn't technically work on Rift. I was their engine contact at one point and helped them deal with Gamebryo stuff, because it did use the Gamebryo engine. Oh, okay, you're using the uMMORPG library. Okay, so it's like a top-down deal, right? I think that's what that library looked like. I did play with that at one point, but that was a while ago. Alright, so today we're gonna start on a dialogue system, but there's something else I want to like get wired up real fast, and that's my new console. Because Unity needs a console, and it doesn't come with one by default, so I wrote one. Third person as well, but I'm developing top-down, yeah. Okay. Oh, we're getting bunches of null reference exceptions. But it is working, so that's good. What is it complaining about? Game mode get player. Oh, there's no player in the scene anymore. That's right, I deleted him. Alright, well, you have a good one. Thanks again for the host. And welcome, Sealors peoples.
Bot lane'e güvenilecek bir bot lane'imiz yok ya,
That's a
ona göre.
big one to bite off. Doing an MMO, like even a small one, because it's just so feature intensive. I'm waiting for Visual Studios to load, by the way. That's what's happening right now. And setting something up. Ooh, it's running real bad. Hello? Hello? Hang on, guys. I gotta set yeah, I wasn't dropping frames. My whole computer was lagging because reasons. Because I can't permanently set priority on OBS. So if I start loading anything else, it chugs. Even though there's plenty of processing time, like it's eating all of it.